Hello everyone, this is Poonam Sagar at IndoIndians.com, and today we have with us Mr. Shyam Taparia. Mr. Shyam Taparia, he has very generously agreed to share with us a recent medical incident that happened with him, as well as to share some insights and some information on what to do if you have a medical emergency in Indonesia while living in Indonesia. So welcome, Mr. Taparia. How are you doing?
Yeah, thank you. Good afternoon to you and all viewers.
Thank you. Taparia ji, you recently had a medical emergency. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
My God, once in a lifetime, मतलब किसी के साथ ऐसा ना हो, but हुआ है, and it's such all of a sudden सब कुछ ठीक था। 8:30 बजे जब बैडमिंटन टाइम हुआ, बैडमिंटन खेलने के चले गए, कलापा गार्डन तक गए, खेल भी स्टार्ट किया। तब तक कोई मतलब डाउट ही नहीं था, लेकिन गेम स्टार्ट किया थोड़ा लो एनर्जी से शुरू हुआ था। चलो सेकंड गेम किया, वो तो बिल्कुल बीच में छोड़ना पड़ गया, और अचानक मतलब इतना शरीर में स्वेटिंग होने लग गया और चेस्ट में पेन होने लगा। तो पेन भी ऐसा लगा जैसे कोई गैस्ट्रिक प्रॉब्लम हो, तो मैं ज़्यादा इसको सीरियसली लिया नहीं। लेकिन चूंकि कुछ इंसिडेंट्स लोगों के सुन चुका हूँ, मैंने एकदम बिना उसको सेकंड थॉट किए विदिन 10 मिनट डिसीजन लिया कि लेट्स गो एंड कंसल्ट डॉक्टर। घर आया, घर आके अपने पहले फैमिली डॉक्टर मिस्टर किरण से कंसल्ट किया। उन्होंने कुछ लोकल ट्रीटमेंट भी दिया, लेकिन उससे कोई आधा घंटे में जब कोई ठीक नहीं हुआ, तुरंत उन्होंने रश किया, बोले कि आप जाओ और अपना ईसीजी कराओ एंड देन ओनली वी टॉक फर्दर। तो बस सीधा एमएमसी गया, वहाँ पे ईसीजी करवाया और डॉक्टर ने थोड़ा बोल दिया कि ईसीजी आपकी ज़्यादा क्लियर नहीं है एंड वी हैव टू डू सम फर्दर टेस्टिंग एंड ट्रीटमेंट। Of course, we were continuously in touch with Mr. Kiran, to whom we believe that he is our really doctor and family doctor. So then we started doing the treatment with some testing, CT scan and blood test and all these things, even including COVID test. Because nowadays, without COVID test, they will not proceed further.
Correct.
So we have done all these tests and then waited for this COVID test report. It came next day. After this, we have done the angiography, and they say you have to put one stent actually. Since there was no other option and we have to do it, so we have done that. And after that, they kept for supervision for 3 to 4 days. And after that, they especially told that please don't come before 1 month, because they were so sure of the reports that whatever has happened, and now nothing will happen. So you just go and take rest, take full rest. And we have followed his advice. In between, we were continuously in touch with our local doctor, our doctor friend, and also we consulted 2-3 experts in India. Even we paid the good consulting fee, but we cross-checked with the 2 experts actually. And with the grace of God, it is already more than 1 month. Yesterday only I checked with doctor, and he say everything going perfectly well, and no further test, no further additional. In fact, they have reduced the medicine to 25% now, and I am feeling quite all right. Maybe 90-95% of the earlier, another 5-10% for 10-15 days or so. So with that.
Yeah. So Taparia ji, did you know that you had a heart condition prior to this?
Never. In fact, not only me, even all of my known people will never believe that I can be attracted like this actually. Because for last 30 years, we were continuously play two times in a week badminton for 2 hours weekly. And I was participating in all the activities. So I never felt that I am sick anywhere actually. So
when did you have your last medical checkup?
See, whenever we go for some say medical policy or this thing in India or anything happens, so we go for that, but never any thorough or deep testing never done actually. Maybe 3-4 years ago we have done, but not very seriously. We have not done actually.
Right, right. So you did not know you had any heart condition,
No,
and
no.
you didn't even suspect it because you had
No.
a high activity level and
Yeah. Never.
okay, okay. So after this, have they advised you any lifestyle changes? After this, has the doctor recently advised any lifestyle changes to you?
Uh, Not very seriously or so. They say yes, you should avoid the cholesterol food and this thing, but other than that, they say you do your normal activity. Only thing they say, for first 2 months you just don't give stress to your body. After that, they assure that you can go for swimming, you can go for badminton, everything you can go. And in fact, here I would like to mention that few of my friends who say that now you have got the 25% extra energy because all your obstacle gone. And they said with their examples, not that just to please me, they also passed to this stage. And they said, like one of my friend, he said, I used to lift the 70 kg weight earlier. I'm lifting 100 kilo weight. Also other friends, they said, now you should be better, you are better off, please enjoy more life. No restriction at all. Only thing, you avoid some this stale food or oily food or this thing. But other than that, then no one had advised me to change your lifestyle.
Right.
Except few pessimistic people also told like this. Now this is a end of your enjoyable life, and now you should do this and that. But I don't believe on that, and I am surely enjoy my normal life.
What do you think about the medical support systems and healthcare systems in Indonesia after your personal experience?
Yes. Before my personal experience, of course, I also part of the masses that, oh, Indonesia is bad in this medical facility and all this thing. But honestly, after my incident, I can say that Indonesian doctors are also equally competent and equally intelligent. Many times what happened, we have the communication gap. What we wanted to convey, we are not able to convey. What he is able to want to tell us, we are not able to understand. And with that, we are doing something wrong, and it all blames go to doctor. But I am telling you my example, because it's not only me, but two experts from India also confirmed that whatever treatment you have done so far, because I sent them all the CD and reports, and they confirmed that we cannot do better than this. This is the way, on only way they have done, and it is perfectly all right. So with that, I can say that medical facility here also is very good. In fact, at some places, equipments are much better and advanced. So I can say medical facility is not as bad, and especially when you have the situation like this and you don't have time to rush anywhere, you must go for that. You must go for that and do the treatment first.
Right.
And important thing is in medical facility and or the medical system, faith is one of the important things. If you don't have faith in anyone, your work will be 50% already gone. So have faith and follow this thing.
Thank you, Tapadia ji. Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Yeah.
Thank you for
Okay.
sharing, and we wish you good health.
Okay. Good luck to all the listeners, and I strictly advise that keep exercising, keep healthy, but body is unpredictable, so we cannot do it. It's finally God's wish, actually. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay.